So today's case, basic pre-intro. This is the case was the migraine case with swelling in the whole body. Case referred to me by one of our areas of famous MD physician. So patient came with her husband. I said, tell your name. She said. Then I said, tell your age. Her husband said 37. Spontaneously she said 39. Then I tell, okay, please tell me. She said, I have a lots of swelling, severe pain, back pain, joint pain, indicating toward the abdomen, and said abdominal pain only in this portion. Then she said small eruptions on the face, most in this region, again indicating. Then she said severe head pain due to this. Again in between husband says chidiyapana, irritability. So patient says yes ma'am, irritability due to this pain, and I have thyroid also. Husband says ma'am full body checkup करवाया पर उसमें कुछ भी नहीं मिला. I said okay sir, please sit outside for a few minutes. Then I said okay, tell me madam. She said again swelling in the hands, fingers, again by showing fingers. Most of this in this portion, this is the important. Due to this my eyes are also swelling. Then she said, look ma'am, look at this portion, these small joints, these hands, face, lots of swelling are there. And even when we go outside, there is a due to air, I have this swelling and head pain is also there. This swelling is there always. So I said, tell about that irritability part. So she said, when my headache starts, I don't like to do anything. I become irritable that time. I don't like to talk with anyone. If anyone talk with me, asking something, I become irritable. Pulsating pain is so severe, I just lying down on the bed. But even can't sleep. I apply balm, oil. After all some time, pain decrease, then only I can sleep. मैं सो ही नहीं पाती हूँ, कुछ भी बोलने का मन नहीं करता है, बैठने का नहीं मन करता है, कोई बुलाए तो मन नहीं करता है. She said all this. Then I said, what you like to do during that time? She said nothing. Just remain in bed. Don't talk with me. Don't like if someone calling me. Sometime I have vertigo also, and all this happening since 3 to 4 years. Then I said, what happened when all this happening? She said, when all this happening, my head pain starts. Irritability also occur. I just lying down with covering. That time if my husband touch, I become irritable. Don't touch me. Don't make me irritable. I said little bit more. Again she said, I have lots of thoughts in my head. Even at night I become sleepless due to all this tension and all. So I say, what kind of tension? She says, some money related madam, management, all have this. So tell about your money management on all. So my husband left their job and started own business since some time. Our home loans are there. My kids are in the engineering college. His fees are all there, and I have to look after all this. All the business I handle. Home also I handle. I manage all this. Although my husband says, तुम कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे, तुम अकेली थोड़ी कर रही हो. Then she says, I have always worry about this business and income. Less income. मतलब कि इनकम कम है घर में, सब मैनेज करना पड़ता है, मैं ही देख रही हूँ, हस्बैंड की जॉब नहीं है. अगर जॉब में अगर बिजनेस के अंदर कोई ग्राहक नहीं आता है, सेलिंग कम होती है, तो क्या होगा, किस तरह से होगा, किस तरह से मैं मैनेज करूंगी, हाउ विल आई मैनेज ऑल दिस. All the thoughts run in my mind, and that time my headache starts. And when will it sort out? कब ये sort होगा, कब मैं बिजनेस में आगे बढ़ूंगी, पेमेंट कैसे होगा. One more thing ma'am, that time she again start. I have lots of thoughts regarding housework. किस तरह से करना है, कैसे करना है. I don't like if my kids are coming back and putting back in the sofa, table, chair. I don't like it. I like work very properly, neat and clean. If anything is in the other than his proper place, I become irritable. I don't like it. I never rest if my work is not done. If I rest, my mind constant think, what that remain work. I don't like even my sasuma's work, mother-in-law's work, my sister-in-law's work. I do again if they help me in kitchen area also. I never allow cooking to anyone in a house. I like neatness. Everyone in the house says you cook very nice. No one can find fault in my cooking. not even house. When things are not in proper place, I become irritable. My head starts paining again. So this is the case. Then follow. कैसा है आपको?
અહીં સોજા હતા, લપકારા મારતા હતા, અહીં હાથે સોજા આવતા હતા, એ બધું ઘણો ફરક પડી ગયો. ખાવાનું બધું થઈ ગયું છે.
What she says, after 1.5 months, my mentally I am very better. Sleep is also good, and my swelling is also reduced, and head pain is not there. So we analyze the case with rubrics. In this case, I go through all rubric part. So here when husband says 37, she spontaneously said 39. So here I make a mark, maybe she is fastidious or proper, we don't know. So it's a question mark. Then when husband says irritability, she said yes, irritability due to this pain. So I took the rubric irritability, pain during. Then she said lots of pulsating pain. We go outside in the bike riding, my head pain starts due to outside ride. I took the rubric head pain pulsating, head pain, air, cold wind, aggravation. Then in later part she said this irritability are there during head pain. So we go in the particular irritability, head pain during. First she said irritability during pain. Then she confirmed when she said during head pain. The rubric took an irritability, head pain during. She said I become irritable, don't like to talk with anyone. If anyone talk with me, I become irritable. I don't like to talk. Spoken being aversion to. Don't disturb me. Disturb aversion to be. और रेस्ट डिजायर, क्या करना अच्छा लगता है? बस लेटे रहना अच्छा लगता है. रेस्ट डिजायर फॉर. बेड रिमेन डिजायर फॉर, आप क्या करना पसंद? मैं बस लेटी रहती हूँ. बेड रिमेन डिजायर फॉर. मेरे हस्बैंड टच करते हैं तो भी मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. डोंट टच मी. टच अवर्जन टू बी. टच अवर्जन टू बी. इरिटेबिलिटी डिस्टर्ब व्हेन. देन शी सेड मैं जब सोती हूँ तो बहुत सारे थॉट्स आते हैं. लॉट्स ऑफ थॉट्स एट नाइट. स्लीपलेसनेस, थॉट्स, activity of thoughts from. Then she again confirmed that money related management, anxiety about husband to left the job and start the business, but she said मुझे बिजनेस का टेंशन रहता है, मैं बिजनेस में जाती हूँ, मैं मैनेजमेंट करती हूँ बिजनेस का. So took the rubric anxiety, money or financial matter. Anxiety, business about. Sleeplessness, thoughts, business of. There I took a question mark because it is not confirmed yet, but it's come in my mind. So then she said how will I manage, what will happen, anxiety future about. Then she said घर में सब अच्छा लगता है, किस तरह से करेंगे, अगर थोड़ा भी इधर उधर हुआ मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. I took again confirm it's the fastidiousness. Ma'am, next. So we took all this rubric and medicine. First come is Nakshvamika, arsenic, phosphorus. So I give Nakshvamika 200 single dose. After 1 month, she said no any single episode or head pain, feels better, swelling is better. After 1.5 months, that video, follow-up video is there. Then after 3 months, she said 2 episode of head pain is there. So I repeat again 1 dose after 3 months. Then just last recent follow-up, she said my back pain is also better, ma'am, which she is not mentioned in anywhere in the case. But she said it is also better, and head pain is almost 6 months she is with me, and medicine is also continuing. Now there is no swelling, no head pain, or even back pain is better. And she said माई बैक पेन इज गो, मेरा बैक पेन भी ठीक हो गया मैम. एंड शी स्माइल, आई ऑल्सो स्माइल, एंड दिस इज द केस.